today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 things I like about my 2022 Yamaha MT-09. Number 1. Price. The MT-09 retails for $9,499, which is an incredible price for what this bike has to offer, which we will discuss later in this video. This price point also makes it obtainable for most people, unlike a current Gen 600 or even a 1000, which can range from $12,000 to $20,000. Number 2. Tech. This bike shares similar electronics to the R1, which is crazy considering this bike is nearly half the price. The bike offers 4 different power modes: lift control, traction control, and slip control, which makes this bike really fun and safe to ride. You also get a fuel gauge, gear indicator, shift light, and so much more. Number 3. Quick shift and auto blip. One of my favorite features of the MT-09 is the quick shift and auto blip. Once you've experienced the thrill of banging through gears with no delay while never letting off the throttle, is exhilarating and so satisfying. I can't see myself owning a bike that doesn't offer this feature, because it's one of those things where once you experience it, you can never go back. Number 4. Wheelies. Who doesn't like a good wheelie? The MT-09 makes it effortless. I don't have a lot of experience doing wheelies, but with the MT-09 it's so easy, and with lift control it's basically like having a wheelie button. You just hammer on the throttle and you're looking up at the stars. Everything I've mentioned, it brings me to my final point. I believe the MT-09 has the potential to be a great beginner bike, and I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. The price makes this bike obtainable by just about anyone, and considering most people start on a 300 and quickly outgrow that and then have to purchase a bigger bike, you can buy an MT-07 or an MT-09 and have one bike to grow into. With the power modes and safety features this bike, you can take your time with and gradually grow into at your own pace. And lastly, this is a great bike to practice wheelies with. You have the power to easily do wheelies and the tech to keep you safe. So that's the 5 things I like about my 2022 Yamaha MT-09. And in an upcoming video, I will talk about the 5 things I don't like about my 2022 Yamaha MT-09. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Peace.